G'day, welcome back. Well, got a quick one for you today. It's roasted tomatoes. Now, you know the little cherry tomatoes, the pomodorini? I go down the shop, I buy a few, bit of a bundle of them, and then I put them on the sink or on the sideboard and I leave them there for a week. And when they start to get that little crinkly skin, time to cook them up. Let's do it. Salute. Preheat your oven to around 220 degrees. Now get yourself a pot and fill it with water, and then you're gonna add enough salt so it tastes like the sea. When things get to the boil, you're gonna put in some pasta. Today I'm using spaghetti, 250 gram. Okay, grab yourself around 300 gram of cherry tomatoes and give them a quick rinse. Now place them into a small baking tray. Now you want to add a good splash of olive oil. Okay, add a good sprinkle of salt and give it a bit of a slide around so it sort of coats that oil and the salt all over those tomatoes. Smash a large clove of garlic and drop it in. Now add a pinch of chilli. Now you add as much chilli as you want. It's subjective. You don't have to have it. Now drop in some capers, around about a tablespoon. I'm putting in 2 heaped teaspoons of pesto. You know, you can use fresh basil. I kind of like pesto better for this recipe. Now it's into the oven for about 8 to 9 minutes, depending on the oven. Okay, now it's time to push those tomatoes, but be careful. I use one of these potato mashers, but be careful because it'll split. Make sure the kids aren't close and keep your hands clear. I've burnt my freaking hands on them before. Time to drop in your pasta. Mix it in well. Now, if you're scared you're going to overcook the pasta, you can always cook this sauce first and then cook your pasta and then add it. But, you know, you'll get it together, give it a couple of tries. You'll work it out. Practice, you'll get it. So there you go. How easy was that? Unbelievable. Keep those tomatoes, they'll ripen and they'll sweeten. Oh, my mouth's dripping, I tell you. Yeah. The sweetness, it's just fantastic. Oh, mate, fantastic. Subscribe, give it a try. I love you all. Catch you on the next one.